Tet holidays. During this period, everything shuts down. The cities close, the gym close, the shops close, and most importantly, people go back to their hometown, to their families. But this year, I spent completely alone here. So in this video, we'll be doing 4 things. The first one is to clear my brain. To happen, I always do this. That is cleaning. Because I genuinely believe that when your environment is clean, your mind feels clearer too. And it always works out for me. And during that, cleaning isn't just about hygiene. It symbolizes removing the old energy and welcoming the new start. So I deeply clean my room, reorganize everything, and honestly, just clear my brain. So every time I walk into my room, it just gives me a fresh start. On to the second part. Now since it's Tet, the gyms were closed for about 10 days. And usually this is where most people's routine fall apart. But I didn't want to lose my momentum, so that's why I turned my room into a mini gym. No fancy equipments, just 2 dumbbells.
What? You're living outside. You should do all this.
The next one is food and survival. Another reality of Tet is the most vegetable market and small shops are closed for about 8 days or more. So I had to plan ahead. I stocked all the groceries, filled my fridge with and prepared simple meals for a week. And this is where I usually buy my groceries. And even though all the shops are closed, all the vegetable markets are closed, there is always one market which is open, which saves you from hunger. That is Mega Market. So I actually track what I ate from Monday to Sunday. If you guys want a full breakdown of what do I eat in a week and what expenses does it cost me staying outside, drop it down in the comment sections, because only if you ask me I can make the videos for you. So just spam it in the comment section so that I can make a nice video, you know what I mean?
Okay, that's cool, but did you spend your entire holidays in a room?
Of course, I didn't actually stay indoors the whole time. Since it was Tet, I decided to go to mall, just walk around, feel the festival vibe and see how people are spending their time. And interestingly, I met 2 completely different people. First, I met a YouTuber. He was really friendly, very humble, and he actually runs a podcast channel. Have you heard about the Great Indian Kitchen? He even made a podcast with them. It was really good. I watched the entire hour video. It was genuinely good. Bro, if you're watching this, respect man. We both share the same dream, big dreams. Hope so in future we meet. Now on to the second interaction, and this was something that I didn't expect at all. A random stranger who was a Korean came up to me and asked me a question. Are you Indian? I'm like, yeah. What do you think? He smiled and he kept his hands inside the bag for a second, and honestly, for 1 second I was like, what's happening? And then he took out a candy and a small book which says, believe in what? Where the candy tells, believe in Jesus, be happy. And the book was completely in Hindi, which says, Kya aap khush ho? It means, are you happy? I read the complete book. It's a story about Jesus and it was wonderful. It was really wonderful. It was just a random but wholesome interaction. 2 two complete different people and two complete different conversation, and both made by day in a different way. Now on to the final section, TED. For those who don't know, the TED is officially called Tet Nguyen Dan. I'm learning Vietnamese. So this is one of the biggest and the most important celebrations in Vietnam. It marks the Lunar New Year and the arrival of spring. During that, families return to their hometowns, houses are clean and decorated, people wear new clothes, children receive lucky money in red envelope, ancestors are honored, and everyone wishes each other and other prosperity and happiness. And it's not just a holidays, it's about family, respect, gratitude, and starting fresh. This year is the year of horse, which symbolizes strength, energy, and moving forward with determination. So this is a big celebration for them, and that's why I went to the city. The entire city of Da Nang was glowing. The streets were filled with lights, decorations everywhere, music, families walking together, fireworks lighting up in the sky. Even though I spent it away from my own family, standing there in the middle of all the celebration, I didn't feel lonely at all. And that's what that is really about. Connection, renewal, and hope.
Everything is good, but by the way, what were you doing the whole week? I didn't see you in the room at all.
Well, I was playing badminton with my teachers, you know.
Be honest.
Okay, I was working on something new. When it's the right time, I'll share with you guys. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, man.
Okay, at least tell me about the next video.
Oh, the next video, huh? The next video is my father's most requested video. Stay tuned.